Today I'm gonna make a 3D multiplayer first-person shooter. Now obviously Scratch can't do 3D at least anytime soon, so I'm gonna be using Unity. So let's go to create project. So I have huge hopes for this game. Now obviously it's gonna be kind of like Fortnite. I want that, you know, the battle royale aspect. I want the competitive aspect. I want to have some maybe tournaments. Maybe we could host a World Cup or something. The grand prize would be maybe a couple $1 million. Yeah, I think that's some reasonable expectations. Let's just get into it. Why is it taking this long? Can we just like, oh, okay, there we go. Thank you. Okay, so looking around the scene, we don't really have anything. It's just blank space, just like my brain. So we need a ground. Yeah, this looks nothing like Fortnite. I need like maybe a terrain, maybe some grass. Now obviously I can't make any of this, so I'm going to do what any genius would do. I'm going to steal it. So I found this. It's basically Unity. They provide some grass and some trees for you, so I could just put it in my game. Okay, finally. It took forever for this to load. Now hopefully not another loading screen. What exactly am I downloading here? I don't even know. If this is a virus. Loading. This thing better blow my mind. Alright, finally it's in here. Okay, let's see what it is. What is this? What am I looking at here? What is this? Is this like someone just spat pink all over the place? Something is wrong here. What? Jeez. Those loading times, that was worth it. I can hear my computer like it's an airport. It's trying to take off right now. Now this is some quality stuff. This is better than Fortnite right here. I can tell you hands down. Wow, I am impressed. I'm glad I'm not using Scratch right now. Okay, so we have a level, and a very good one at that. Now we need a player. So, it's just a capsule, right? We're beans. We're just basically beans. And then we need a gun. Meet Billy. This is Billy. Look at his nice gun. It looks kind of like a Nerf water gun, but it's fine. It's fine. Everything is fine. We have literally the best level here in existence, and we have a potato for a player, literally. I got Billy to move around. Look at that. We can now move around our level. I got sprinting, so we can move faster. We could jump. Look at that. I'm doing parkour around my level. This is a AAA game right here. I could be turning out one of these every single week. Bring it on. What? I just fell through the building. That's broken. Let me fix that. Okay, now the buildings are fixed. I can walk on them. Don't fall through them. Now we need two things. We need multiplayer and we need shooting. So our player, I'm figuring he can just shoot little tiny sphere. Wait, where did it go? Why does it spawn them all the way up here, just in a random space in the sky? Now we just need to spawn the bullets. Okay, so this code, theoretically, it should shoot the bullet forward. I just need to fix all these errors. It's so annoying. They just go away. What's with all the errors? Okay, so I'm spelling bullet with 3 L's instead of 2, and somehow that worked for some reason. Everything is fine. Everything is perfect. Okay, so I need to do this. Add package with name. Okay. Yes, I think hopefully this should get the multiplayer running in the game. So now we need to make the player so it can spawn itself in the world. Okay, let's see if this thing works. Okay, so hours later, this is the last time. If it doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Please. Yes. There we go. Finally. Okay, awesome. That was so satisfying. And I could move through the storage boxes, but that's fine. Let's see if I can see the other players in the game. 999 plus errors. I'm just gonna ignore that for now. We got it to work. So over there, that is the player. If I move, it's moving both of them, like you can see on the screen. So there we go. Now they're getting stuck. It's kind of weird. Like I could see the same thing on 2 screens. Oh, that is so trippy. Okay, let's first try to fix that. And also my computer is literally dying. It's rendering 2 games at once. I can hear it. My computer is dead. Also, I can shoot. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let me fix the shooting and also this annoying bug. Let's say we have 2 players. Okay, we have player 1, this guy, and we have player 2. So player 1 is trying to move, and they both have the same movement. So when we press the arrow keys are going to register on player 1 and player 2 at the exact same time. So basically we're moving both of them. So I just need the one that is in control to register the arrow keys. So in my code, it's just as simple as putting if is owner. So first I'm going to disable the camera, and then if we are the owner, enable it again. Okay, I think that is it. My YouTube career is off of this. There's a player in. Oh wait, I can see myself. I see myself right there. Okay, let me first fix it so both of the players can move. I just need to sync the shooting, and I think that's it. I'm done. I can't wait until I get like actual human characters instead of just. So to make the bullet appear on the different players, I basically have to run this, which runs this, which runs this, which runs this, which finally then we shoot the bullet. So it goes through all of this just to like register a bullet. Since there's gonna be lag and stuff, everything won't be immediate, but it's basically the best that multiplayer video games can do. It's the best we can do. Okay, hours later, I think I got the shooting to work. So let's just build it and see what actually happens. Okay, that should be me spawning up there sometime soon. Wait, is it a spawn? There we go, there we go. Okay, let's try shooting, And what? Okay, I shot the player, but now it's damaging myself. What is going on here? Well, it damaged the other player, kind of. Okay, so previously, when shooting the player, sometimes we damaged the player, sometimes we damaged ourselves. Now we're only damaging ourselves. I have no idea what's happening here. So that's how I made a 3D first-person multiplayer shooter. I couldn't get the shooting to quite work. I'm damaging myself, but I'm sure I could fix that if I had another day or two. I had a tight schedule. Anyways, if you want me to continue working on this, post your idea in the comments. And also like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video.